Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. I'm Ken, this is Bree. We're at Snow Globe Perspective, as you can see.
Love it.
And there's probably going to be some squeaky noises going on, but don't worry about that. It's quiet right now, so we're getting really lucky here. So today, we're going to learn how to do tutting transitions. Do you know what a transition is?
No, I'm just kidding.
Almost, that's pretty close. So a transition, my definition of that is just the in-between from one picture to another picture or one idea to another idea. And that in-between is the transition. So it's how to get from point A to point B. Cool? Alright, so with tutting, as you remember, we have a grid on our body and there's lines. Lines up here, over here, down here, lines everywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do with those lines is we're going to follow the lines to use them as transitions. So let's say we start in the middle, classic tut position right here, okay? Start in the middle, and let's say I want to go from here to like here. How would I do that? You can either choose from the three options of basic movements. You have sliding, okay, which is this. Slide, 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 slide. Okay, see how I did that? That's my transition to get here. I just did a bunch of slides. Another way to do that is from folding. Okay, folding or bending it, right? You can go fold, fold, and then you can go slide, fold, slide, fold. You see how I did different combinations of the sliding just to get up here? So you have a bunch of options, right? You can go folding, then slide, fold back down, slide up again. So however you want to patternize it, I don't even know if that's a word.
Patternized.
Yeah, however you want to make your pattern, you can do that. And you have, remember, sliding, folding, and you have rotations. So for example, if I wanted to go here and go down, I would do rotate, rotate, slide, slide. You could do fold, fold, go back up, boom,
Oh yeah,
rotate,
that's such a good thing
rotate,
to learn.
slide, slide. And notice the transition was whatever I wanted it to be, but you have to know what direction you want to end up in. You have to know the end goal almost, not the like very end goal, but you kind of have to know like where do I feel like going, you know? So if I'm just like freestyling with my tutting and I'm like, oh, okay, I want to go to the right. So I'll just go push, push, something here, boom, boom. And that was my tutting transition because I picked that direction and I was like, okay, let's go over there and see what happens. And then you find your way over there, okay? Or you find your way in a different direction. So that's like one basic way to practice tutting transitions is pick a direction and then tut your way towards it using a series of rotations, folds, or slides. That's tutting transitions. Let's do a couple of examples, okay? So I'll give you some more easy examples. Let's start from down here and we're gonna make our way, let's make our way to the front. Okay, so that's the end point. Here's the starting point. All right, you ready? Here we go. Let's do a fold. Okay, halfway rotation, unfold. Okay, now we're at this part of the box.
Like here.
Yeah, right there. And then let's go this one. Let's go, yeah, bring it up. And let's bring our elbow here. And then open this up. Bring this up. Elbow here. Unfold.
Oh, here.
Like bringing it up and then bringing it out. Nice. And now we're here.
Now here.
Okay, one more time. From here, we're gonna do the fold, fold, halfway rotation, open it up, bring this up, bring this out, bring this up, bring this out. And that is how we got there using this as like our transition, which was like here, here, or just here, opening it, here, 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 here. See that? So you figure out ways based on placements on your grid. Like I used the body grid as like a guide to know where, okay, my hand could go here and the grid also is right here. So I'm gonna put my elbow on that part of the grid, and then from here I pivot on the elbow and then bring it out. Okay, so yeah, really basic movements you can do. I did a lot of rotations as well. Okay, so you can try different combinations of your folding so that you can just, like, if you limit yourself to just folding, you could actually come up with some interesting stuff. So if you just do folding, here we go, like from here, fold, fold, fold,
What was that fold? This
fold,
one?
here. So from here, look, I'm folding it underneath, and then I'm unfolding it over here, and then you go here, then you go here. Use different basic movements of tutting to do your transitions, and then pick directions, go wherever you want, and then yeah, make it happen. Experiment, like, okay, let's just do slides, now let's just do folding, whatever, and then try different directions but using only one thing or multiple things, and go back and forth, and you get the idea. So there you go, tutting transitions. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about that, go ahead and DM me at can.poriotics and at Brina Elia. You should ask her questions about dance too. See how she, yeah, see how she feels, and then
I think it's cool.
yeah,
I've always liked tutting. I've always liked watching tutting.
yeah, tutting's fun.
Trying.
Try it out.
Try
Okay,
it.
see ya.